माशाल्लाह अल्लाह आपको सलामत रखे मुल्क को आपकी जरूरत है. Why?
All we want the international community is to ask one thing from General Musharraf, to restore the judges of the Supreme Court. Everything else they ask is useless if the Supreme Court judges are not restored. Because that means that General Musharraf would have got away with violating the Constitution. Not the West, but what George Bush is doing, he's alienating 160 million people just to back one man to do his dirty work here. And what he's doing is he's creating anti-Americanism in this country. It's exactly what the Americans did when they backed Shah of Iran against the popular democratic movement in the country. And what was a democratic movement turned out to be, in the end, an anti-American movement. And this is exactly what the Americans are doing now. We do not recognize these judges. These are Musharraf's cronies. These judges are his pocket judges. Even if he wants to have himself declared as the king, these judges will declare him the king. That's the whole reason for the emergency, because he got rid of the genuine the judiciary. The real judges are under house arrest, while these pocket judges are sitting there just to endorse every illegal act of his.
Thank you, sir.